Hello and welcome to the Eagle's Nest, a show for kids by kids. I'm your co-host Alton.
And I'm your other co-host Emma. Today we're going to talk about global warming and climate change's effects on the ocean.
Climate change? What's it changing into? A sweater?
More like a greenhouse. According to climatekids.nasa.gov, a climate is the weather over a long period of time in a certain area. Climate change is when that weather differs dramatically from those expectations. One form of climate change is global warming. According to kids.nationalgeographic.com, global warming is the increase in our average temperature over a long period of time. The website nrdc.org says that carbon emissions trap heat in the atmosphere and lead to climate change because we're burning fossil fuels. That is what we call greenhouse gases. They're called greenhouse gases because they absorb and hold heat, just like a greenhouse.
I've read about fossil fuels. According to the nrdc.org, the three types of fossil fuels are oil, which is a liquid made up of hydrocarbons, coal, which is a solid carbon-heavy rock, and natural gas, which is composed of methane.
Methane, what's that?
Methane is a gas that can be found in many places, including the back end of a cow.
That makes sense. According to rainforestalliance.org, in 2011, farms were responsible for 13% of the global emissions of methane. Methane can come from lots of other places, though, so we can't just blame the cows.
Definitely not. We do know that the Earth was completely covered in ice 20,000 years ago, so the Earth has been naturally getting warmer. However, in the last 50 to 100 years, the world has gotten even warmer than we projected.
What happens when the Earth gets warmer?
Well, sea levels rising are a result of global warming. The climate.gov says that even if the world follows the low greenhouse gas pathway, global sea levels will likely rise at least 12 inches above what it was in 2000 by the year 2100. If we follow a pathway with high emissions, we will have a worst-case scenario of as much as 8.2 feet above the year 2000's level by 2100.
On top of that, when we burn fossil fuels, we change the ocean's chemistry. Since the Industrial Revolution, the ocean has become 30% more acidic. Acidic waters can slow plant and animal growth rate, weaken shell populations, and destroy food chains.
That can't be good for ocean life.
It definitely isn't. The animals are suffering, but that's not all. The New York Times said that tropical storms become more intense each year, which is caused by the warmer temperatures of the water. Tropical storms don't just affect animals, they affect people as well. Temperatures have increased so much that according to BBC.com, in 2021, no place reported temperatures lower than their lowest temperatures recorded.
So temperatures are definitely going up, not down.
Exactly. And if we don't start making changes, we're going to have bigger problems down the line.
What kind of changes can we make, Emma?
I'm glad you asked. We can drive more efficiently by carpooling or taking public transportation. We can also reduce water waste by taking shorter showers.
Got it. I will stop showering today.
No. I said shorter showers, not no showers. You should still shower often.
I'm hearing no showers. I'm also going to start turning off lights when I'm using them. That'll help the environment.
That's a great plan, Alton, and the people listening at home can try that too. But they should still continue to shower and be clean. Just don't let the water run for hours on end.
I guess that's a good point. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Join us next week for a segment on the amount of radiation in bananas. Thanks for listening to the Eagle's Nest.